Alright, test. Moving my mind. Um, recently I did actually end up
Let me mute desktop audio because I don't want it to give any trouble. But yeah, test. Yeah, as I was saying, um, recently I right as I was like picking up my laptop off my desk, I accidentally left the microphone plugged in. So when I was taking it up, I forgot the microphone was plugged in. So as I moved like back over to my bed, like it fell. I had a much more delicate one before, so I got worried that it would break, but luckily it did not. So I'm glad. A chat rate. Somebody sent a message in chat. What does this say? Warning: the stream bitrate is lower than recommended bitrate. What's up with the bitrate? Hmm. That's unfortunate. Alright. Close that. The audio streams bitrate. What do you mean the audio streams bitrate? Does this thing not give audio? Cause I know that I'm streaming, you know. Uh. So strange. What do you mean the audio streams bitrate? Yeah, it's working. Man, it got me worried. Anyways, yeah. Hopefully nobody asks me for the nothing because I don't want nobody to interrupt me. Um, next I find a pen. Mm, oh no, where's my pencils? I don't have no pen or pencil. This is a recipe for disaster. And then mom gone and take more my nice, amazing blue pen. So what am I gonna do here? Um, Alright, I am back. I have pencils and stuff. Um, man, I really don't like to say that stuff pop up. Let me check some other things. Hmm.
We'll come back here to OBS Studio, and then we'll come here to our intermission screen. It's the plus icon. We'll hit browser, and then we'll name this overlay YouTube chat. Press OK, and now it's gonna paste our URL up
I
in.
don't really want the overlay for the YouTube chat, but I want to have like I want to be able to like see it as I'm like actually see it while I'm there. Or I wonder, can I do it from my phone? Cause that would be pretty cool. Um, hopefully nobody's joining the stream and like peeking at me. Cause got a notification. Anyways, do I have a YouTube Studio on this? No, I don't have a YouTube Studio on this. I don't even think I can see that from YouTube Studio. Play Store. YouTube stream chat. All I just really want is to be able to see the chat for the live stream. So I might just have to join the live stream from my phone. Might as well just give myself the view. If I move the fan, might be some less buzzing. I'll just turn down my phone volume and open up the live chat. Yep. And now I can see that from my phone, so if anyone wants to chat, I can see that. So stream is up. Finally, what I need to do is I need to let me just go back over to here. Huh? Something's missing. What in the world? No, it's fine. Twitter. I can't believe that the Twitter is still twitter.com. Oh wait, no, it's not. It's x.com, but it's strange. Why? Stream is live. That's no Notion link. Oh shoot, it's live. And then I need to go back here. Can I get the stream link from OBS? Oh shoot. I'll just put that there. Share. Copy the stream URL. Now I can go back to Twitter. Stream is live. What do I do here? I don't want to add another post. It's good. Huh. Oh, finally. I like what the thumbnail is just me looking for the chat overlay. Jeez. Hopefully that changes. If I reload the page, is it gonna change? Is it gonna change? No, not yet. Not yet, at least. Damn. You know what? No. Let me know. I'll also leave that. Alright, ready. I've been dilly-dallying like all day. I need to start selling like right now. Alright, ready. I can't find yourself a fire. Don't want to judge. But when you read your speech, it's tiring. Enough. No, I can't. I don't even know if I can sing on YouTube. Man. Oof. Anyways. Alright. Cool. Alright. So now I'm gonna start with blob storage. Hmm. Okay. And push this back a little bit. What's the topic? What's the theme for today again? Um, Azure storage solutions. Um, alright. Blob storage is designed for serving images to a browser. Alright. So, first off is Azure Blob storage. So, so functions. Hey, if you're watching the stream, don't be afraid to just like say, no one's watching the stream. But if you're watching, don't be afraid to just like leave a message in chat. If you're gonna lurk, that's fine too. Just I'd appreciate knowing who's there. There's always that little like heads up there. So if I see you, I'm gonna shout you out. Uh, ice cream truck. You know, so if I was not constantly fighting with being broke, I would run out there. So right now, because that truck, it knows that I love ice cream. You know? The brother that drive that truck, he knows that I'm weak to ice cream. So often, whenever he drives past the house, he like slow down right by the gate, and if it's not by the gate, it's like right at the part of the wall that directly faces my bedroom window. It's wicked. All right. So basically, what I do when I study, right, is I go through these Microsoft Learn pages because as there is a Microsoft platform, it's best to like get the information from like a first-hand source. These aren't really like directly documents, you know, but I mean directly documentation, but they cover the content pretty well. There's always gonna be like some advanced topics that it's not gonna really catch too well, but for that there's a spot on my schedule that's for those advanced topics. So if anything, I'll do the extra legwork and look for other sources. But for now, I really just go through it and try my best to understand every part of it, and then yeah. Today though, I'm gonna try and do a practice test. Last time I did a practice test, I got 48. This time I'm aiming for like a 60. Storing data for analysis. Why would you even sort it like that, bro? Put number one first. Put version one first. Man, you make me I go get my Vex. Anyways, MS blob storage. Next is life cycle. Into the life cycle policies. So, life cycle. Okay. This is .NET stuff. Like, I really wish that I wish I had I wish I could like dedicate the time to like learn .NET. Like, I'm actually earlier I was watching a video on C sharp. So, later on if I get bored, probably gonna do some practice, and then afterwards get some work done, like trying out .NET and all, and learning more about C sharp, all of that. Because the syntax actually in C sharp, I feel this is just me, right? But how I look at it is like it's kind of closer to Python than it is C. It's very strange. I don't know. Maybe that's just how I view it. Because for me the important things are strings. That's what really kind of like pushes it over the line for me. Because in C, strings are pretty much just arrays. Like that's basically what they are. But in C sharp and Python, strings are their own data type, which are like kind of like siblings with arrays, meaning that you can turn it into an array or operate it like an array. Because I know that in C sharp there's operations like string dot make array or something like that. I don't know. Or you can like I don't know exactly, but you know what I mean if you know C sharp. Yeah. Yeah. Man. Yeah. I feel like it's a lot closer to Python than C. Um it's definitely not. It's definitely not because this is declarative. Um you have to like define any variables that you like specifically define any variables that you're going to use. Python is more inferred, where it will look at the type of data that's being assigned to that variable and then say, oh, this is going to be a integer, this is going to be a string, it's going to be a float, you know. Yeah. But I feel like just with how they operate, it's very similar to Python. But I'm really gonna be proven wrong like the more I learn about it. Oh yeah, next. Create a blob container client object. Yo, I'm looking through this I have a little, I'm like getting a feel for how it looks, but I'm not sure like the exact steps and stuff. You see like this. This is what throws me off. No idea what that is. Like, oh yeah, console write line, console read line. I know that. This, no. No, think that I can understand this. I can understand this surprisingly. It's just there's a couple of stuff. And I'm not gonna go through and analyze all that code either. Because from what I saw from the practice test, the segments that they give you aren't you need to understand the syntax. Definitely need to understand the syntax, but you might not need to understand like exactly everything, like each step. Like these are just console operations. Giving the file new IDs. You're re-uploading it. Downloading it, deleting it. Container properties using metadata. This is important. I have no idea for this first one. I wasn't really looking at it too hard. Last modified. Alright, that module is done. Okay. So I can go back here and I can tip up this. Unfortunately, I'm not doing the lab. Create a Cosmos DB and query data. I've done that previously, but I need to touch up on Cosmos DB. Surprisingly, it's only one module. Well, pretty unsurprisingly, Cosmos DB is fairly simple. Just need to check all this. Create database, create database will not exists. Create container. Query an item. You know, ironically, I'm not sure if did I skip something? Yeah, I must have. Yeah, because I was wondering why it's going into like .NET and it hasn't really taught that much about Cosmos. Oof. Ah. Alright, Cosmos DB. Cosmos DB. Huh. What's going on in the stream now? Cosmos DB. water truck? Yeah, it's a water truck. Hmm. Greatest throughput, that's eventual. To measure amount, no, like one database operation. But I'm not sure about all, so I'll just go with that. Okay. Alright, going back to this now. This is working with the inline thing there. Oh. Mm. Mm. Okay. Alright. I know I'm breezing through it right now just to get out of the way. Not really a good idea, but This is such a vague task. Optimize a storage solution by setting up lifecycle management. Mm. I can't really do that. Alright. Mm. Alright. Next, I am going to do a practice. I have to check something first. Mm. Let me just open up measure up. Yo, don't ramp. Oh shoot. Let me pull this up. Yeah, you can't see that. Hmm. Well, I search in my history. I don't want to search my history. Uh, mm, mm. It's taking a bit too long to load. Alright. I'd say only for this only include like 20. I don't really mind the duration. You know, I do mind duration. I'm gonna give myself 15 minutes, like just for rush time. No, 20 minutes. 1 minute for each question. That should be fair. And Jano, I missed so many questions. I'll turn it off then. Alright, next, previous. Let me see this. Microsoft privacy statement. What does this say? We use personal data, reasonably share personal data, what to access, cookies, products provided by your notice to end users. Other Windows. Okay. Looks like I should be fine. Alright. The organization uses two sets of storage accounts, multiple internal public fields that the website for marketing purposes. What's a static website for marketing? I got this last time. Was to minimize costs for hosting. It was deployment on the last weekend of every month. 1 hour maintenance. Encryption in transit. Content delivery network. Redundancy. Where is this gonna be used again? Corporate files with blobs. I'm a bit confused there. How should your storage account features? How should you configure storage account features to implement the website hosting requirements? How exactly is this going to be distributed? What's me to minimize cost? So I'll say locally redundant storage, and then container. What do they even mean container name? I don't understand this here. What should I do with the container name here? I'll just call it www. The container names have to be. I can call it web. That should be fine. Because they have to be valid in the URL. What's the other one? Yeah, these two are invalid. Web is fine, so I'm good. Static website feature. Wants to do maintenance on the website. Allow blob public access to files. Okay, that should be fine. Two levels at rest for security. Data at rest, it's gonna be encrypted with the thing. A something something. So that's gonna be one level. There isn't really another level. It's not like you can enable. Can you enable it? It said it's recommended, and I know that at-rest is already infrastructure encryption. You don't need any of it new ones for their Active Directory authentication only. Alright. Um Lifecycle, internal storage account. This is how the prefix match looks, so yeah. Alright. Oh, disable static website feature on the storage account, okay. Bo, yo, I'm a genius. I'm a genius. Are you seeing this? Oh my gosh. Next. Oh, the thing. Let me see the answer. Oh, I forgot. Once you click the thing, you can't really. But let me see this. Jano, I can't see it. Jano, I wanted to look at the explanation, but it's fine. Oh, there's a show answer button up here. Explanation, none. Explanation, yes. So you should be able to disable. You should disable static website feature and storage account. Summarize access via those endpoints. Okay. I understand. Yeah, and I was right here. Yeah, I'm doing good. Jeez. And I'm behind on time already. Can I even like increase my time? Publish APIs created to external partners. New resource groups related to the APIs. Which PowerShell should I? New AZ API management. Like I already have the API, but I want to give the person. Yeah. Huh? What happens here? Yeah, I was right. On telemetry, view the trace that's written. What do I do? Traces. Are those in event? No. No. I believe that's the right one. Answer? Oh, I was going to. No excuses. What am I? Oh shoot! I'm not streaming the thing. Jeez, oh my gosh. I'm so sorry about that, you guys. Let me bring this back to the tab. I can just, whoops, and now it's streaming. Yeah, my bad, you guys. Jeez. Gives them visual zero to access the application. This connection string parameter. your function only. Hmm. The hell? Oh, and I'm so behind on time. Not even halfway through, but I'm making good progress. Server application, Visual Studio to develop. Connection string, local machine, deploy quotas there. Modify setup so it has those. So as your function, so host.json even make no sense. Global variables that read settings from key vault on function. Configure separate values to connection string with local. Separate values from the local test environment. After, if that's the case, then I need to. So I need to have it in a setting name, but on my local environment, then I'll have to have it here. Configuration settings. Yeah, it says 2 steps, so I believe it's these two. I'll check after to see if I'm right or wrong. It's a Redis question. I don't know how to work Redis. Whereas your cache. Increase. I'd say set resource group name. The resource group is in RG1. Name of the Redis cache is Redis cache 1. And size should be fine. So messages, this is a test. New event data. Coding UTF. Yeah, that seems proper. SQL API store documents on container. Create a container using .NET. Adjust to ensure the container is created properly. What actions should you perform? You need to decrease the throughput to make it more consistent. Key path needs to be at least 3 letters. I don't know who's calling me. Yeah. Ooh. Alright, I am back. I'm back. I'm back. Hmm. Oh my gosh, I look so handsome. I'm playing. I'm playing. I'm playing. Oh shoot! Shoot! I'm running out of time. No. Oh, can I increase my time, please? No. Shoot! I just the code so it works. I already have those two. ID. It might automatically make the ID, but I know that partition key path needs to be like at least 3. No way I got them both wrong, genre. I can't really look at this right now, so I need to hurry up. Database connection. Don't even know what in the world that does. Because when the code is run, it sends something. It checks to see something. Makes a connection to a database. That's not Cosmos DB. Hmm. Specific IP addresses. So filter it on inbound. I'm gonna say I expect an XML response. So this is XML to JSON, and then from the outbound it's gonna be JSON to XML. Strange. Whoa, no policy on the back end? Okay. I guess you can do that right here since it's on the inbound. So yeah. Windows VM channel. Somebody got into on the side of the thing. I have no idea about this. That's unfortunate. Out of the questions that I did, boy, one of the words failed question 1, 2, and 3. I saw the answers. Anyways, that's so weird. I saw the answers for them. I don't get how I would have failed them. I put in the right answers. Man. Let me look at it. So from the ones that I did, I don't know about these, you know. This is so strange to me. Because I looked at the answers and I got these right. So I'm gonna count these as right. Hopefully nobody finds a problem with that. Alright, thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 out of 13. What that say? 69%. That's not bad. That's not bad actually. That's a big improvement from what I did before. I still had more questions to do. I could have done better, but I've noticed an improvement with the topics that I already did. I need to go back and look at something. When it comes to questions on objective, when it comes for storage, did this question say? When it comes to storage and storage security, I don't know jack. I don't know much. I don't know anything actually. Because what did that thing say? Um no, back. Um it's not like I can just Spain had like 8 more questions to do. Back to the question of this, I was saying as your security, um sort by objective. Security. Windows VM system assigned identity. I don't know about security. I haven't reached that module yet, but it's a big one. Um but I'm doing better than I expected. With what I've been studying, I didn't think it would make that big of an impact. I figured it would make like it would be noticeable, but I didn't realize it would be that big, you know. Um but yeah, just let me oh whoops, let me not show that. Um I'll just pop these out so nobody can see them. Didn't have any like important information on there for sure, but yeah. I'm quite happy at that result, you know. Makes me feel like I'm definitely making progress. Once I'm done studying, you know, so it's gonna be like it's a wrap. It's a wrap. Yeah. So I think that's about it, you know. Let me check back on the study plan. Um I did the security. Um I'm just gonna say short practice test. What I'll do is I want to do like a short practice test after every like every 2 days on this plan to make sure that like I'm actually making good progress and stuff. Yeah, so tick that. Very happy with my results. Yeah, so that's gonna be it for today's stream. I did a lot of work. Made a amazing amount. Amazing is too much, but I made a really good amount of progress in terms of the work I got done today. Um, yeah, it was a good session. Didn't really see anybody in chat. Didn't get one message, but so you go. I'm just doing it for fun, anyways. So yeah, so that's it. Guys. If anything, you can contact me on in the comments, social media, wherever you can find me. If you have my number, no, you don't know. You don't have my number, but I'm about. If you want to talk to me, you can talk to me. You can you all send me an email. I respond to my emails. Yeah. So